Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for June 16th, 2014. Looking at the overview for today, with the high pressure that was sitting over top of our area on Sunday and gave us that nice weather with low humidity, is now sinking to our south here. So it's actually to our about to our southeast here, right off the Carolina coast. And that high pressure being down in this position will have a return flow around it. Once again, we're going to get into this winds out of the south or south-southwest. So with the wind direction that coming from that, you're going to have a wind or increase in temperature over the next couple days, and it's going to start for your day on Monday. And out to our west here, we have a cold front that's going to be moving through, but this is going to come through late overnight tonight here. It's going to be a weakening front as it moves to the east here. The GFS is actually putting down some showers here with this one. The NAM is not really that impressed as this goes a little bit further here. This is actually showing for the overnight hours here, actually late evening and first part of the overnight. Just a few showers or thunderstorms moving through here on the GFS. Go over the NAM here. The NAM does have that as well. A lot of dry air still in place here. The humidity levels are going to increase a little bit here today on Monday, but nothing too crazy. We're not going to get into like some excessive heat and humidity at the same time. I don't think we do that until we get to Wednesday. I'll show you that in a second. Here is the showers and thunderstorms, and this is showing here at 11 p.m. So I really don't think this is going to be a big deal because it is coming in the overnight, and it is from a weakening frontal boundary. Here's 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You can see this is moving across 4 a.m., moving across our area here and kind of dying out by the time we get into the overnight hours here. But this is not really that impressive. So this is just an isolated shower or thunderstorm that will occur in the overnight hours in some areas. So we go to Tuesday now. We're actually going to head to Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday I don't think you have anything to deal with. Just a partly cloudy day. It's going to heat up a little bit more. You're going to have your first 90-degree temperature readings down here along the Baltimore-Washington area. Actually, Baltimore-Washington should probably get close to hitting that today. But if it doesn't, it's going to definitely do that on Tuesday. And then in here in the Philadelphia metro area all the way up to about New York City. This area right here I expect to be close to, or if not exceeding, 90 degrees on Tuesday. So that area here that is circled here will actually expand a little bit further north and west. And I do think you're going to get some more widespread 90-degree temperature readings as we get to Wednesday. This is a map of Wednesday here, and you're going to have a cold front that's going to be sitting to our north here. It's actually in association with the area of low pressure that's off the screen here. For argument's sake, we'll put it up here, but it's actually further northeast than that. This cold front is actually associated with that. This is going to be pressing down to the south like this, but you see the precipitation only gets as far as the northern sections of our coverage area by late Wednesday. So the whole idea with this frontal boundary here is the models have been trying to with every run have been continuously slowing this front down, the progression of the front. So if this gets in here fast enough, if the slowing down is incorrect and it gets in here any quicker and we have a trigger here, there is plenty of instability up in this area here on Wednesday to take advantage of as far as severe weather would go, shear and instability. So if you get a trigger in here, that's one of the factors you need for severe weather. You could have a record amount of instability here. It will not matter if there's nothing to trigger the thunderstorms, and we're gonna that'll be this cold front. And if it can get down here any sooner, we will be talking about a severe weather day on Wednesday. If not, if it comes through in the overnight hours, we're not talking about severe weather. Because we lose that instability. You see, it just kind of falls apart like the GFS shows here, coming through in the overnight hours, and then that'll move through in the next couple days after that. Here is the temperatures that we're looking at. Possibly on Wednesday, and you can see this area here, you see it expanded quite a bit here down the Baltimore-Washington area here, well into the 90s here. This whole the whole area of the Delmarva all the way into interior South Jersey. These are all 90-degree temperatures that we're expecting here on Wednesday in this entire area here. So this is a pretty big area here to get 90 degrees, and of course you're going to have the heat and humidity returning as well. I know some of you don't want to hear that, but that's just the nature of the beast. Here's going back to our map here. Again, overnight hours, the cold front comes through on Wednesday night into Thursday. Could have some more scattered showers and thunderstorms here late Thursday because this frontal boundary is going to take its time moving through here. and it's not going to want to move out of here at anytime soon. So you're going to have this frontal boundary kind of draped like this, taking a sweet time moving through here, and because it's taking a sweet time moving to the south here and stalling south of the region, and just because we're in the close proximity to that frontal boundary, we'll have chances of a passing shower on Friday and again Saturday, maybe even again on Sunday, just because that frontal boundary hasn't really moved much. You can see it's just kind of sitting down there. It hasn't really gone anywhere. And then you can have some showers and thunderstorms, especially for our southern zones. Further south you go as we get into the next weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for June 16th, 2014. Have a great Monday.